Hello guys, it's me, Tube the Lucky Wolf. I want to show you something. Now, today I'm going to show you how to make cameras in Minecraft. Okay, now these are like actual walking cameras. These aren't just like, oh no, you can only stay here for how long or whatever. These are like cameras you can do, like, you can stay how long and whatever. Now, as you can read by the sign, this can go great for like a Five Nights at Freddy map, or like a security map, or like a cops and robbers or something like that. Hope you can hear me okay, like, actually. But okay, anyway, now to set this up, what you want to do is, if you look at my hotbar, here's all the items you need. The command block and the barrier, you're going to have to summon that in with commands. But anyway, so let's start off with the first command. Okay, so now to actually, like, this is just the camera area. I don't have a script, so please forgive me. But this is the camera area. You choose how many cameras you want. Like, you go to the camera, and then the first block you put in TP, IP, to whatever coordinates you want for your camera. Okay. Then for the next block, you choose effect, give, IP, invisibility, 99999 true. Okay, now for the next one, you do the same thing. You do effect, give, P, levitation, the same thing. Okay. Now, what happens now? Onto where the camera is. Okay, so now you're gonna need barriers for this. You want to surround your button right here, or your spot, so the player can't move around freely, unless you want like some sort of like city observer or something. But yeah. So I only recommend them being 1 block tall, because otherwise it won't work properly. But so now the player can't move, and yeah, that's pretty much what happens. But so now if you want to get back, you will just click the button. Oh my gosh, this thing's lagging like crazy. And for here, you'd put TP at P to back the coordinates to the hub, and then effect clear at P. So this will clear all effects from the player. And well, oh, and don't forget to, like, for your hub, add a goodbye button, which will lead you back to the office or to your security room or whatever. Now, let me just show you how this will work. So, see, I pressed the button, and now I'm here. I can look around, do whatever, and then if I want to go back, I just press this button. Okay? Now, now let me go back out and show you something. The button is going to have to be, like, right here, right where my pointer is, cursor, you know what I mean. But and then you're gonna have to put redstone along here, or else it won't work. Now you're gonna have to do the same thing here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. I do want to say that I will be teaching you guys how to make like a clock, like a walking clock. Now this can be for like a time thing, like Five Nights at Freddy 2, anything like that. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. See yous. Also remember to subscribe, because like this is the only way you're gonna see most updates from me now. And let me just go back out to the thing. Okay, see you guys.